Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 17, How to Search and Insert WordPress Themes. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes. We'll see step-by-step how to search and insert various themes on your WordPress sites. So let's get started. Inside the WordPress dashboard, go to the Appearance option and choose Themes. Inside it, you also have Customize, Widgets, Menus, and Theme Editor options. So these are all the themes. You can see theme details, or you can activate it by this Activate button. Click on it. Go back to your site and refresh your homepage. If you want another theme, activate another. Again, refresh your site's homepage. So this is your new theme. If you need more themes, click on this Add New button. Here, more themes appeared. You can search category-wise, like Popular. Click on it. Lots of themes are available in this category. Similarly, there are so many in the latest. The next is Favorites, which is empty right now. We haven't marked any favorites. Next is Featured Filter. You can specify your search from here. Select Categories and apply filters. Select the features you want and the layout you like, then apply it with this Apply Filters button. So there's no theme with filters. You can again edit your filters with this Edit Filter option here. Make some changes and again apply filters. So the themes that satisfy your filters are showing here. Back to filters. Remove them all with this Clear button. Then again, click on this Apply Filters button. Back to this Featured option. You can also search themes. Insert your search term, and here are all the themes related to your search. You can activate any of them. Select the one you like and preview it by clicking on it. Here, it's showing how it will actually look. You have got a slider here and category layouts. If you don't like it, you can close it from this Close button on top. So let's see another one. It will look something like this. If you like it, click on this Install button. So it's installed, and then click on this Activate option to activate your installed theme. Here are all our installed themes. Go back to your site and reload it. So your newly selected theme is installed and activated successfully. That's pretty much everything with the themes. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes customization. We'll see step-by-step how to customize your installed themes on your WordPress site. See you in the next video tutorial.